Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn about the CADquery Workbench, which is a Python based modules to create the high quality 3D models. So here I have already installed the CADquery Workbench, and once you install the CADquery Workbench and activate it, you will get here the CADquery tab, and you will see here multiple options like new script, open script, execute script with the help with keyboard shortcut. So installing this CADquery Workbench is very easy. Just head over to the tool, then add-on manager, and search for the CADquery here and install it. So here is the module, and install and activate it and restart your FreeCAD. So what is this CADquery and what it is used? We will officially see its GitHub page. So basically CADquery is a Python module for building 3D models, and using this tool or using this workbench you can write simple script to produce high quality models, and you can visit this GitHub page to get the more information about the CADquery workbench. So in this tutorial we are not going to write any custom code. Instead of that, we will see some standard script which comes with the CADquery Workbench. So here is an option called open script, and if I see here, there are the many script has been already written and which you can use as per your requirement. So for example, I wanted to create a simple plate, so I will use this script called simple block, and I will say okay. And if you see deep into the code, we can see that our first line of a command is import CADquery as CQ. This means that with the help of this command we are importing the CADquery library, and here we are creating a simple plate. So we have defined the length, height and thickness, and here if we see that CQ means CADquery and work plane is a XY, and here we have called that the length, height and thickness, which we have defined here, and here is a show result. So this is the code written in a Python. Now we will execute it. To execute the code, go to the CADquery tab and say execute script. So once you execute the script, that simple block has a part has been made in a FreeCAD. Now I will say zoom to fit, I can say isometric. So it has modeled me a part with length, height and thickness. And now if I change anything here, for example I wanted to thickness of 2 mm, so I will go here and give the 2 mm, and length I want 100 and width I want 50, and I will go and say execute a script. So you can see that the parts has been modified, and if I go here and if I want only 1 mm thickness, then I will go here and I'll say execute a script. So you can see that it has been modified to 1 mm, and if I wanted to make it 10 mm thickness, then I can do the same. So this is the 10 mm. So this is how we can easily make simple models with the help of change in code, and basically we have just changed the value. And now if we go to the open script, then we can see the many examples here which you can use as per your requirement. Now we will go to the model here which we have created here. Now if I wanted to give the chamfer to all these edges or fillet to all these edges, and if I select these edges, all 4 edges, and I switch to the part design workbench, and if I say fillet, so what error we are getting? That create a body. So this means that this is just a shape, it is not a body, but still we can use these shapes to modify our part. So the basic idea is that I will create a body here, and then I will select this shape which we have created with the help of this Python script. Now we will drop it over the body. Now you can see that this has been come as a base features, and now if I try to fillet these edges, I can fillet it, and I will say okay. Now I can save this part CADquery as a R2, and now if I close this all the windows, and now I will open my part here. Now this having no any dependency with the CAD query. Now it is an independent model. Now I can do whatever I can do with this part. So you can see that the shape, and now this we have imported a base. I will say discard. Now we will see some other codes of the CAD query. Now I will go to the open script. Now here I will say block with board center hole. I will say okay, and here we can see that it is a plate, length, height and thickness, center dia 22, and it is made on a XY plane, length, height and thickness. Now we will execute this code and we will see what happens. So once we have executed the code, we have got our model here. So this is the hole which we can see here. So we can see here the 80, 60, 10 and hole dia 22, and for example I wanted to change this hole dia from 20 to 10, and I will say execute script. So you can see that hole dia has been shorter. Similarly I can change length, height and thickness. Suppose that I wanted to give 2 mm. So you can see that it has been changed. Now same way as we have did in our last part, we can go to the part design workbench and create a body, and we can use this shape inside the body, and now we can do anything. Either I want to adapt the whole, fillet, chamfer, whatever with this part. So this CADquery workbench is very time saving to create the simple parts. In fact, if we visit to the CADquery library, we can also see some complex example of the script. For example, block with counter bore holes. Now I will close this one, and I will execute the script, and I will say zoom to fit. So now you can see that now it is a plate with 4 counter bore holes and 1 hole at the center. And understanding the CADquery code is very simple because it is a very simple script. So here is a length, height and thickness, hole dia, hole counter bore hole dia, depth, and here is a plane, and here is the positions, length and height, So let's see an example of changing the plane. So if I say, if I on my plane here, sorry, it is a shape, so I will go here and say YZ, and I will execute the script. So the part is failing. Okay, so you have to deep dive into the code, and now if you are changing the work plane here, then you have to change this one with respect to ZX, but I'm not going into the depth of this. Once you start making some simple script or simple part with the help of a query, then you will understand that how to play with the code. And now we will see some more example. Now we will move to the open script. Now here we can see one example of this bottle, and I will say okay. So we can see that here is a set up the length, height and thickness, and now we will simply execute it. So you can see that a bottle has been made, but you have to deep dive into the code if you are not to change anything on the code. But if you are not to make any similar models, then you can just simply run the query and you can just create a shape and then go to the part design workbench and create a body, and now you can do anything with this part. So this CADquery Workbench is very time saving with the help of this ready-made script here. And when you study all this script, when you run this script in a FreeCAD, you will get the more idea about it. So this is all about this tutorial, and how to use the CADquery Python modules to create a simple 3D models. In fact, the complex model also, if you are good in a programming, then you can play with this CADquery's workbench. So this is all about this tutorial. I hope you have liked this tutorial, and if you like my method of teaching, then you can support me. Please visit the video description links. I will come with more useful tutorial on a FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.